Hello, my dear student. How are you today? Hoping you're fine. Are you ready for our lesson today? Today, guys, we will talk about compare whole numbers. But guys, today I bring for you very nice video. Hoping inshallah you will like it. Are you ready to see it? Let's start. Okay. We have this friend who will help us today in our lesson. Let's say hello to him. Hello. Well, he searched for a treasure, but here he found two. The first one contained 2,510 coins, and the second one contained 760 coins. We need to know which is greater. Okay? So today we will learn about comparing of numbers. Well, like we said before, the first one was 2,510 and the second one 760. We need to know which is greater. First of all, let's count the digits to know. The first one 4 digit and the second one 3 digit. So what do you think? Which is greater, 4 digit or 3 digit? The greater number of the digits, the greater number. So what is greater, 4 digit or 3 digit? Of course, 4 digit greater than 3 digit. So 2,510 is greater than 760, right? You got it? Okay, my dears, that's great. First of all, we need to know these symbols. The first one, it's like the mouth of fish, okay? When it's looked to the left, it's called greater than. But when the mouth of the fish look to right, it's called less than. And this one called equal to. So we have 3 symbols. The first one, when it's looked to the left, it's called greater than. When it's looked to the right, it's called less than. And this one is equal to. Okay? Don't forget, this is so important. Okay. The first question we have today, he wants from you to compare using more than, less than, or equal. Okay, so let's see the first one. Here in the left we have 1,276 and on the right we have 1,267. We need here to know which one of that is the greater. First of all, to compare between two numbers, let's count the digit to know which is big. Okay. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have 4 digits. And on the left, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. How come? In both sides, we have the same number of digits. So how we can know which one of that is the greater? Who can tell me? Well, when we have the same number of digits, we need to compare. And when we compare, we will start from left. So let's compare together. In the first, here we have 1 and here also 1. It's the same number. Skip and look before. Here we have 2 and here we have 2. It's still equal. Ignore and look the digit before. Here we have 7, but the other side here we have 6. So which is bigger, 6 or 7? Of course 7. So it will be greater than 1,776 is greater than 1,267. You got it? That's great. Now it's your turn. I need from you to stop the video. Try to solve the second one alone, okay? I'm waiting for your answer. Okay guys, welcome back. Now tell me, which one of that is the greater, or maybe both number is equal? Can you tell me? Super. So the first step, what we're gonna do, we need to count the digits, right? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Super. So the first one, 5. Just write small 5 on the number or anywhere to know the number of digits. Let's see the second side. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So also it's the same number of digits. So how we can compare? Let's look for the digit. Okay, we'll start from left. Okay, don't forget. Here we have 1. Here we have 1. It's the same. Ignore and look before. Here we have 4 and here we have 4. The same. Ignore and let's look before. Here we have 8. Here we have 8. The same. Ignore and let's look before. Here we have 3. The other side 7. Which is big? 3 or 7? Of course 7. So 14,832 less than 14,872. Okay, get it? Now let's see number 3. Are you ready? Okay, let's do it. The first step, what we should do, let's count the digits. Let's count together. Okay, go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we have 6 digits. Let's look for the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's the same number we have in both sides, 6 digits. So what we gonna do now? Can you tell me? Great, my dears. We will compare. Let's start from the left. Here we have 5 and here we have 6. Which is great? 6 or 5? 4, 6. Great job. Super. Okay, now let's see here. It's a long number. Don't worry. It's so easy. We will do the same steps. Okay? So, can you tell me what is the first step? Yeah, we need to count the digits. Let's count together. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the first number, 7 digits. Let's look for the second one. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Super. So we have 7 digits. It's equal number of digits on both sides. What we're gonna do here? Yeah, great job. Let's compare. Let's just start from left. Here we have 1, the other side 1. The same. Ignore and let's look before. Here we have 9 and here we have 8. Which is great? 9 or 8? 9. Super. So 1,986,034 is greater than 1,896,075. Great job. Okay. Miss, it's a new question. It's so hard. No, it's not. It's the same and so easy. Just we need to make just one more step. Okay? If you look carefully here, you will see that in the left side he gave you the digit in the standard word, but in the right side he gave you the digit. He gave you the number in word form. So in the left we have the number in digit form, but in the right we have it in word form. Just let's change this form and let's write it in digit to compare in an easy way. Okay, here we have 40,200,075. Okay. So we need to make groups until we reach million. Let's make the first group without name. The second group called thousand, right? And the third one, million. Let's do it. 40 million. Let's write 40 million. 200,000. And in the group of thousand, we will write 200. 75. Here the 75. But can we have two digits only on the first group? Of course not. So this empty place, we need to put 0 on the 100th place, okay? Now let's compare. Let's count the digits on each number. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have here 8 digits. Let's count the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's also 8. So what we're gonna do now? Let's compare. Let's start from left. Here we have 1, but the other side 4, which is great. Of course, 4. That's a great job right here. Super. Now let's solve this question together. He tells you that George has 1,325 baseball cards. Okay, this is what George has in his collection. Sam wants to have more cards than George by the end of summer. Sam collects 1,297 cards. Who has more cards? So here we need to know which one of them has more cards. How we can know? All what we have, just compare. Let's compare between both numbers. The first number represents the cards of George. The second one represents the number of the number of cards that belong to Sam. Okay. So the first number 1,325, and the second one 1,297. Okay. This is belong to Sam. This is belong to George. Okay. To compare between two numbers, the first step will be what? Yeah, great job. The first step, we will count the number of digits. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have 4 digits. What about the other side? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also 4 digits. It's the same. Now what we should do? Let's compare. Good, great job. Okay. So here we have 1. The other side also 1. So ignore and let's look before. Here we have 3, the other side 2. Which is greater, 3 or 2? Of course, 3. So 1,325 is greater than 1,297. That means who has more cards? Can you tell me? Of course, that will be George. Great job. Now, Habibi, we finish our session. I hope you understand the lesson and you enjoyed the video. So guys, bye and see you next time, inshallah. Bye.